Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO A77 5G and let me show you how to use secret codes. At first open your phone dialer and go to keypad. And here we will be entering those codes, so let me start with the first one, the shortest, which is *#06#. As you can see, this one will provide you with email numbers, so if you wish to find them pretty quickly, to provide something that's way quicker than to look for them via settings on or your original box. Smoothly enter this quick code and here it is. Tap on OK to exit. And another code that I want to share with you today is *##426 #***. And here you've got FCM diagnostics where you can find events and status. If you'll tap on more, you will be able to enroll advanced view. So as you can see now, you've got way more details. Let me go back then. And the last code that I want to show you today is pretty simple, but yet truly interesting and important. And it's *##225 #***. And as you can see here, you've got the calendar info. So in this panel, you can see all upcoming events. Like this panel is connected with all calendars that you've got on your device. It's about Google Calendar, this device's internal storage, iOS calendar, like whatever calendar you have, all the events entered there would be displayed right here. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.